Good morning, my dear students of class 9. So today we'll be solving out graphical solutions from your chapter. In this chapter we have simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation means already you have learned how to do the linear equation in earlier chapter we have learned, and today we'll be doing with two linear equations and forming a simultaneous linear equations. The two linear equations where they meet at a point, that point is said to be the solution point of the simultaneous linear equation. It's a very easy. Let's do it with a word problem. The given word problem is here. It is written on the board from your textbook. The cost of manufacturing X articles is this. The selling price of X articles is this. So number one, what you have to do, and the question is given the number of articles to be manufactured and sold. How many articles should be manufactured and sold so that there is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss means the cost price and the selling price must be same. So here first we have to find out the two linear equations. Number one, the cost of manufacturing X articles is this. So one thing we have to do with the cost price and the X articles. So we have to form a graph having X axis and cost price which is taken in the Y axis. The cost of manufacturing X articles is rupees 50 plus 3x. That means if the article is, number of articles is 0, if the number of articles is 0, then the cost price would be 50 plus 3 into 0, that is 50. Okay, if the cost price is, if the number of articles is 10, then 50 plus 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 50 is 80. If the number of articles is 20, then 20 into 3 is 60. 60 plus 50 is . So with this we have to make a graph first. One more table we have to make with this, the selling price. So this is the selling price of X articles. So let us make a column in this way. This is X, this is selling price which should be taken in Y axis here. So here it is 0. When X is 0, number of articles, the selling price is 0. And when X is equals to 10, when X is equals to 10, selling price is 40. When it is 20, the selling price is rupees 80. Now let us plot the graph. Now let us point out the graph of this which we have solved it earlier, taking x-axis as the number of articles and taking y-axis as cost price first and later y-axis as selling price first. So here x is equals to 0. So here x is equals to 0 means 0 line is this and cost price is 50. So cost price is 50 is, this is 20, 40, 60. So cost price is 50 will be somewhere here. So this is the point. Next 10, x is 10 over here and cost price is 80. So from here the 80 is somewhere here. So we get here point. Then we get x is 20 and it is 110. So this is 20 and this is 100. So 110 will somewhere it will lie over here. So finally, if we test this line, we get this point, we get somewhere in this direction. Again, none with the second graph, x is equal to 0, selling price is 0. So this point is this 0, 0, x is equals to 10, selling price is 40. So this is 10 and this is 40. So it will lie somewhere here. 20, 80, so this is 20 and 80. It lies somewhere here. Now if we join these two lines, let us see where they do meet here. So So in graph, if you see here, if you draw a straight line holding this, they meet at this point. So this point means if you stretch like this, and then if you bring here, this is your line. Now the very first question they have asked you, number of articles to be manufactured and sold to break even, no profit, no loss. Since this is the selling price graph and this is the cost price graph, they meet at here. So here the solution point is, on axis it is 50 and here it is 200. So the very first question is that they have asked you to the number of articles. So the number of articles is 50. This is the article, and the cost price or the selling price both should be rupees 200. In the same way, the second part also you have to do it.